Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep. This place is like horrific.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that'll be fun when I mean we take over the world, but whatever. Let's get to it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, give me a folder with freaking map in it.
Okay.
I'll go all day here. I'm gonna show. Okay, so guys, here we have you. Okay, Colin, you and well, technically I should call you Agent 46, but I'm gonna call you Colin for now because that's your name. You're gonna go through here, and you're gonna try and take down the warden, and you're gonna distract him. You and your other agent, Agent 47, and Troy, Ethan, you're going to get here. Then you're going to pick the lock. I study what kind of locks they have. Literally a paper clip will do. I don't understand why, but whatever. You're going to go through. You're going to get her out and then run away. So is Colin.
Alright. Sounds good.
And so you're going to meet up right here and then you're going to drive away.
Okay.
Getaway
This
vehicle.
is special paper, so we cannot have this in this folder anymore. It's going to have to go in this one. In this one, which goes in this one.
Okay, it doesn't need to be that complicated. Just put it in there now, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Hey, what you doing here, Come on, I know you can fight better than that. Hey, there's two of you and I'm beating just one. Beating you with only one.
Yeah.
Back and I got my sword.
Okay.
You really want to play with me? Oh, whoa!
Yeah, you better not run. Let's go. Don't run.
Yeah, we will. Stay here.
I got him shot. He'll be dead. And that's only the first square.